Welcome back to Budget Boss. My name is Gustavo, and today I'm going to be showing you guys how you can make this affordable, easy, delicious pancake breakfast. I call this Bananas Foster Pancakes, and I'm cooked this on the Pit Boss Charleston combo unit on the griddle side. So you can make this on the griddle as well. So in order to get started with this, you're going to take 4 cups of your pancake mix. You're going to add your water. You're going to mix it up till it's nice and consistent. Set it to the side and then let it rest for 5 minutes. Then we're going to take a saucepan, add a stick of butter, 3/4 of a cup of brown sugar, 1 teaspoon of cinnamon, 1/4 teaspoon of salt. Take your bananas once it's nice and bubbly, let them caramelize, remove them, add a 1/4 cup of heavy cream and a teaspoon of vanilla extract. And then we're going to get to our griddle and add our pancake mix. Let those pancakes cook until you see bubbles on the top, and then you can give them a quick flip. Once that quick flip is done, then you just put them on. We're going to add our bananas and then our caramel. Then again, our bananas and then our caramel. I stacked this up nice and high. Make sure you guys check out the full recipe on the website so that way you can make this. Top it with powdered sugar and candied pecans. And I'm telling you guys, this is a breakfast you will not regret making.